Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy F62 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can turn off auto screen rotation in your phone Samsung Galaxy F62. First of all, go to any app. Here I go to Google Chrome. When I try to rotate my phone, what happens? Screen is also rotated. So if you want to stop the screen rotation, you can do it. For that, go to the notification area and find auto rotate option. Just turn off it, and now it is turned to portrait. Now open the same app and try to rotate your phone. Now screen is not rotated because it is fixed in portrait position. If you want to have auto rotation, again go to the notification area and click on portrait option, and it will turn to auto rotate. Now it will be rotated. You can also fix the auto rotation in landscape itself. If you turn off auto rotate in the landscape position, then it will turn to landscape option, and now the screen cannot be rotated to the portrait. Okay, so you can fix the screen in portrait position itself or landscape position itself. Again I turn on auto rotate, and now it can be rotated. So in this way, you can easily control auto screen rotation in your phone Samsung Galaxy F62. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.